Hello friends, my name is Arun. In this video, I am going to discuss about one interview question on constructor overloading. See here friends, see I am having one class. The name of the class is employee. This class is having two constructors, both are one argument constructor only, but type is different. The first one is object type constructor, the second one is string argument constructor. So if I use these two constructors in employee class, what will be happen? Will I get any compile time error? That is the first question. The second question is, if I pass string object, then what will be happen? I mean, if I pass directly string, what will be happen? And if I pass object, what will be happen? So, I mean, which constructor will be executed? That we are going to discuss. So, approximately 3 to 4 cases are there. Each and every case we will discuss in detail. Okay, let's get into the program here, friends. So, as we discussed, I already taken one employee class. Inside the employee class, I have taken one argument object type constructor and one argument string constructor. So now employee class is having totally two constructors. So one is object type, one is string type. Okay, coming to here now in main method, what I am doing here, I am not doing anything, friends. Simply just I am trying to display SOP. What is that? Hello world. Now I am trying to execute this one. What will be happen? So I'm expecting hello world here. Yes, perfect. I am getting hello world. I am not getting any compile time error. I am not getting any runtime error. That means what is that? Happily, you can use object type constructor. Happily, you can use string argument constructor. There is no issue. Okay, what is the second case here, friends? Second case is just I am going to create one object for which class? Employee class. So employee emp equal to new, employee. So see here, friends, I'm getting error. Why I'm getting error? Because line number 18 is expecting which constructor? It is expecting zero argument constructor. Why? I'm not passing any arguments. Can you tell me any zero argument constructor is available in employee class? No. So that's why I am getting one compile time error saying that boss, I'm looking for zero argument constructor. It is not available. Okay. So what I need to do, just I want to pass one argument. Which argument you want to pass? Just I am trying to pass one string here. What is that? Hello. So directly I am passing the string. The question is which constructor will be executed? What is that? String argument constructor will be executed or object type constructor will be executed. So let me execute this one, friends. Of course, you can pause this video and you can guess the answer. After that, you can check your answer, friends. Okay, let me go to run as here Java application. What is the output, friends? String constructor hello you are getting here. So what is the meaning here? If you pass string directly, string argument constructor is executed. So that's why I am getting string argument constructor hello here. Any doubts, friends? Of course, there is no doubt. After that, so you may ask, boss, why are you? I mean, I don't want to pass object like. I don't want to pass string like this. So I will create one object like this. String str equal to new string. Then in this one, I'll pass the string argument. Then I'll pass str. Then what will be happen? In this case, what will be happened? Please, friends, please guess. I mean, pause the video and please let me know in the comment section. Object type will be executed, or string constructor will be executed. Here, str is a string object here. Okay. Now let me execute this program, friends. Here also, what will be happen? So Java application. In this case, also string constructor is executed. So I am getting hello and a string constructor. In this case, also string type constructor is executed. In both the cases, if you pass directly hello, a string hello, or if you create an object in both the cases, you will in both the cases string type constructor is executed here. Now you may ask, sir, no, I don't want to pass a string here. I want to pass object type. Then what will be happen? Say object obj equal to new object. Then I'm not passing anything, no problem. Now just I am passing object. In this case, which constructor will be executed? String type constructor will be executed or object type constructor will be executed. Let me go to run as and click on the Java application. Perfect, friends. So in this case, object constructor is executed. So that's why object is we are getting. Now my question is one more case is there, last case. So quite tricky one. Just what I am doing is just I don't want to create like this, friends. Just I'm going to create one object for new. I'm going to create an object for employee class. New employee. Just I am passing hello. In this case, what would be the output, friends? So please pause the video and let me know in the comment section. So are you able to understand what I'm trying to do? I'm going to create one employee object. Inside, what is the argument I am passing here? I am creating one more object, that is employee class, and for that one I am passing hello. In this case, what would be the output? Which constructor will be executed? So let me execute this one, friends. Java application. See here, friends, I am getting string constructor one time. I mean two constructors, both the constructor executed. String type is executed and object type is also executed. Why? So first, what will be happen? You are trying to create one employee EMP object. So before that, which one you are passing here? So new employee of hello. So first, this constructor will be executed, right? So inside, I mean, this object will be created. So first, what will be happened here? You are sending. I mean, you are sending string argument. So first case, what will be happened here? Not object type, string type will be executed. That's why we are getting string constructor hello we are getting. Why, friends? Because of this one only. So after this object has been created, right? That object you are passing, right? So now for a EMP object, which argument you are passing? Employee object you are passing. Now tell me which constructor will be executed, object type or string type? Now object type only will be executed. That's why we are getting, I mean, two times constructor is executing. One string constructor for this one and object constructor for this object here. And still, if you are having any questions, let me know in the comment section. Or else, if you want to give any suggestions, also feel free to give me, friends. I'm ready to accept, and I'm ready to accept, and I'm ready to implement. And thanks a lot, friends. Thanks a lot for watching my videos.